You can actually do quite a few stitches as just a 2-thread. And I want to just show you how you convert over. So you can do a 2-thread rolled hem, 2-thread flat lock, or 2-thread overlock. So you would want to, you do need to just use one needle. But since I'm just going to show you how to convert, what we want to do is actually find right here is your 2-thread converter. Now sometimes this does kind of fall out or move around, and it is sometimes precarious. Okay, I don't always remember which way it needs to go back in, but it does have its little home right here in the front door. So what I'm going to do is take my scissors. I'm going to lift up the knife just to give a little bit more clearance here. And you remove the upper looper. So I'm going to just clip the blue thread out and kind of give a little pull. And then, of course, remove the blue thread completely from the serger. So then I'm going to zoom in so you can really see where this is going to be put. The 2-thread converter is kind of like a little hat. It's got a little opening here on the side, which is going to attach right here to the top of this post. This is where it's going to end up. And then there's a little piece of metal, kind of like a little skinny finger, that is going to sit back behind the upper looper eye. That's going to make the serger think that there's thread in the upper looper when there really isn't. So just take the 2-thread converter, and we're going to just position the hat right on the top of that post. And as you push down, just watch over here, and that little hole will line up with the little peg. So that's what holds it in place. And then just take the finger and just slip it behind so it sits in that hole. So that's how it's going to, it helps the lower looper thread get connected with the needles when there's not thread in the upper looper. So you can set up your machines with any of those stitches, rolled hem, flat lock, overlock, with just one needle and one lower looper. And that's how you set up for a 2-thread.